What's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Dice Dreams. This will basically give you unlimited rolls, coins and spins in the game, which you can use to purchase anything. And don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as game customization, unlimited rolls, coins and spins and much more. The next step is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once you are on your device, make sure you already have a Dice Dreams installed and fully updated on your mobile device. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Dice Dreams++. So just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you in the next video.